That's too early to talk about numbers.
Is it 25 or 35?
No, there is some momentum happening. So let's wait for the final outcome. High command will take a decision.
Have you received any letter from
last
TVK
night there
yet?
is conflicts
Have you
between.
received any letter from
Sir, there was last
TVK
night
yet?
conflicts between their.
It is official. What K.C. Venugopal said also is a lie. To our sources, TVK has not reached out to anybody writing a letter or whatsoever it is. There is a momentum, which means that the lines of communication is open. So let's wait for the outcome.
Is TVK supporting that momentum?
Let's wait for the outcome. High command will take a decision.
Thank you. OS Mani and Lima Rose giving conflicting answers.
ஒரு மொமெண்டம் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கு. வந்து அதிகாரப்பூர்வமா அறிவிப்பு வந்து தலைமை எடுக்கிற முடிவு தான் இறுதியானது. தலைமை என்ன முடிவு எடுக்கிறாங்க நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணி பார்ப்போம்.
அந்த மொமெண்டம் தாவேக்காலந்து உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கால்ஸ் வந்திருக்கா இல்ல மெசேजेस வந்திருக்கா இல்ல ஏதாவது ரிக்வெஸ்ட் வந்திருக்கா?
தலைமையிட்ட வந்து மொமெண்டம்ங்கிறது வந்து தலைமையை பொறுத்து தான். அதனால நம்ம முடிவு வர வரைக்கும் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் வெயிட்
Sir,
பண்ணலாம்.
there is conflicting answers between OS Manian and Lima Rose, sir, telling that there was one part. So, is it true that AIDMK is splitting into two now?
Absolutely, there is no question of AIDMK splitting. So there is momentum which is happening. So the ball is in Mr. Vijay's court. He has to take a conscious decision whether he wants to complete the term for 5 years or he wants to try and do some exercises of taking many more parties into his confidence. So it is up to him. The ball is in Mr. Vijay's court. We'll wait for the outcome.
Sir, TVK is planning swearing in tomorrow. We don't have much time. So what is the plan of action? Because by today they have to prove the numbers. Right?
No, what the governor's office says is final. So the governor has asked for more clarity on the number of MLAs that is there on the TBS campaign. So we'll wait for that. So there are developments happening from the governor's office as well. So they know how to run the as per the books of constitution. So we'll wait for that.
இப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாமா சார்? இதுவரைக்கும் தாவேக்காலந்து எந்த ஒரு அழைப்பு வரலன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
Absolutely, there is no difference of opinion. The High Command decision is final and binding on AIDMK. High Command will take a decision very soon.
So going by your statement, is the ADMK open to inviting the TVK
There is no question
to
of
consider
that.
ADMK as
Absolutely no question of that. There is no internal rift or split in AIDMK. High Command will take a decision very soon.
Are you asking TVK to invite you so that you can support them? Is that the message that you want to send across to the TVK?
The ball is in Mr. Vijay's court.
But are you open to it?
He is in need now.
Are you open
Mr.
to
Vijay
supporting
is in
TVK?
need now to run the show for another 5 years. If the youth have got vested confidence on Mr. Vijay, the 1.5 crore youth, if it has to turn into reality, if the dreams of youth have to turn into reality, the ball is in Mr. Vijay's court.
Are you
The
open to
Congress is also demanded that
The
Vijay.
High Command will decide. TVK யாருக்குமே லெட்டர் அனுப்பலங்கிறது உண்மையான விஷயம். இதை நீங்க காங்கிரஸ் கேட்கணும். லெட்டர் காப்பியாச்சும் காங்கிரஸ் கேட்டு வாங்கிருக்கணும். எங்க லெட்டர் காப்பி காட்டுங்கன்னு கேசி வேணுகோபால் கேட்டிருக்கணும். அப்பவே உங்களுக்கு உண்மை தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். அதனால அவங்க யாருக்கும் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அபிஷியல் லெட்டர் அனுப்பலங்கிறது தான் ஒரு விஷயம்.
But Congress saying that KC Venugopal has said Karge received the letter and Rahul.
You ask him to release the letter. You ask him to release the letter. We'll see.
சார் இல்ல பாஜகவோட அந்த நட்பு தொடருமா சார்?
Okay, இல்ல நன்றி. Thank you.
Sir,
High Command will
Sir, Congress
decide.
has also said that no
மாற்றம் ஒன்றே மாறாதது, இதுவும் கடந்து போகும்.
There is a kind of momentum. What kind of momentum were you talking about?
Momentum on the positive side.
What is the positive side? TVK is going to get support from AIDMK?
Whatever the Gen Z dream, whatever the dream of the youngsters, that is it.
We've been told that AIDMK has not received a letter from Vijay. Is that so?
Wait. End of the day.
Congress is ready to
End of
support
the
them. Are you,
End of
do
the
you
day.
have 25 MLAs or 35 MLAs supporting them?
Please wait. End of the day.
Is this going to be led by C.V. Shanmugam or Edappadi K.
No,
Palaniswamy?
there is no question of that.
Who is going to lead?
I
I understand helmet is necessary, but right now, when such a thing is happening in Tamil Nadu, you are supposed to give an explanation.
There is no split in AIDMK. That's
Okay.
false. That's an assumption.
Okay,
Everybody are in common consensus,
okay.
and the majority decision will be taken by the High Command.
What about AIDMK support for TVK? Are you going to support
The
it?
majority decision will be taken by the High Command.
Are you supporting TVK? Is AIDMK ready to support TVK?
The ball is in Mr. Vijay's court.
Vijay's court. What do you mean Vijay's court? So that's AIDMK is ready to support TVK.
Vijay, if he has to turn the dream into reality, it has to come from Mr. Vijay.
How many MLAs are AIDMK supporting TVK?
Thank you.
It is only AIDMK or
Thank you.
altogether
Thank you.